Creating electrical wiring layouts for a residential house involves several steps. Plan the layout, determine the location of outlets, switches, lights, and appliances based on the house's design and intended use. Calculate loads, estimate the power requirements for each circuit and appliance to determine the appropriate conductor size and breaker rating. Draw the layout, create a detailed diagram showing the wiring paths, outlets, switches, and devices. Label components, clearly label all components, including circuits, breakers, and devices. Consider code requirements, ensure the layout complies with the Electrical Code, NEC, regarding conductor sizing, grounding, overcurrent protection, and other safety standards. Review and revise, review the layout for accuracy and make necessary adjustments. Obtain permits, if required by local regulations, obtain permits for electrical work. Install wiring, follow the layout to install the wiring, outlets, switches, and devices. Test and inspect, test the electrical system to ensure it operates correctly and meets safety requirements. Obtain final inspection, if required, obtain final inspection from the local electrical inspector.